Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're making an orange pound cake. Stay tuned. Here I have our ingredients: butter, eggs, orange milk, granulated sugar, vanilla, orange extract, flour, baking powder, and salt. Our wet ingredients are all room temperature. I'm going to begin by beating my butter and adding my granulated sugar. I have that on a medium speed, and every once in a while you want to go and scrape your sides down. Next, I'm going to add my orange zest in, orange extract, and also the vanilla. Before you add in your eggs, turn your mixer down to a slower speed. Next, we're going to add in our eggs one at a time. Do not overmix. As soon as you see the egg yolk break, add the next one. With pound cakes, you always start with your dry ingredients and end with your dry ingredients. Alternate your dry ingredients with whatever liquid you're using. As you're adding your ingredients in, don't forget to scrape down the sides like I did. I completely forgot until the end, but scrape your sides down so everything's fully incorporated. Now that my batter is ready, I'm going to spray my pan with some pan baking spray, and I'm going to also sprinkle a little bit of sugar in there. Put in the oven at 325 for 1.5 hours. I let my cake come to a complete cool and then turned it out of my pan. Comment down below if you would like this recipe for the glaze and also the recipe for the cake. Here I'm just going to add a little bit of orange zest on top of it. And just for a finishing touch, a little bit of caster sugar. I hope you enjoyed today's orange pound cake recipe. Please consider subscribing and coming back for more recipes. Thank you for watching. Shalom.